Good morning, students. In the Web Development Frameworks lecture series, we are under lecture series of Introduction to Node.js. In the earlier session, we discussed what is meant by Node.js, so what are things are present in Node.js. Let's move on to the next topic. Important concepts in the Node.js is the modules. What is meant by modules? Modules is one of the main feature of Node.js, which makes it very popular. So why? Because which makes the Node.js is a lightweight framework. Node.js is module consists of so many things. It is just like a packages. You can call the module wherever you want. So there are three different types of node modules are there, like core modules, local modules, and the third party modules. So first we go with it. Node modules, core modules are nothing but it is like a built-in modules. So it is having the default functions to work it out. So we have some things like HTTP module is there, URL is there, query string, path, fs, and then util. So how to load a core module? So we need a keyword called as require. So with the help of this, you can able to call the particular module name wherever you want. So first we are going to discuss about HTTP module. So we know what is meant by HTTP. So HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So with the help of that, it will through the cloud, it will send the message to the server, and server the request and receives and then responds to the browser. So in this way HTTP will work. And then we have HTTP module. So in this HTTP module, we need some things like required create server, HTTP header, port number. Require keyword is very useful, important to load the JS module. And then we need a create server. So with the help of that, we can create our own server. And then with the help of the header, you can pass the commands like what is the status code. You can pass the status code here. And finally, we need a port number. Here we are using the default port number as 8080. So this is the code. So this is a code for HTTP module. Here we have created the variable HTTP is equal to. Here we created with help of the required keyword I passed HTTP. HTTP called create server function request and response. With the write function, we have to pass the status code 200 and the content that we want to in the plain text. And then we want to write a content as welcome to Technovisor. So and then finally we can end with thank you. And we have to pass the port number as 8080. Okay, so 8080. So this is said to be the HTTP module concept. So next here we have another thing which is called as and under the core module is called as URL. So URL we can able to get so many informations with the help of the certain URL. So if I pass a certain URL, I can able to retrieve all those things like hrefs, origin, protocol, username, password, whatever I want. Okay, this is the code for that. Thank you.